What's up, sisters? Long time no see. It's been a while, I know. A few years since I posted any type of tutorial on this channel, but today I'm doing a mommy makeover. I'll have to update you on what's been going on in my life in a whole different video, a little chit chat video. It's not going to be this one. Today I'm doing a mommy makeover, giving myself some love. Don't get a lot of time to do so anymore these days, so I just want to share with y'all this look. I'm doing my favorite color on my eyes today. I'm going in with Melanin Monarch Edge Control. Gotta touch up my edges. I don't get a lot of time to, be detailed with my edges these days, but since the girls weren't here, I'm going to go ahead and, do some details on these swirls on my edges. I'm using a two-sided toothbrush, or the little edge control brush that you see at the beauty supply store. You can get for like $2, and I've been getting used to it. I usually use a random toothbrush or old toothbrush from home, but yeah, I'm also going in with Melanin Monarch's Mango Monarchy Anti-Frizz Serum. This is for my finger coils to bring shine and control the frizz. Houston weather is unpredictable, so gotta always stay ready. I'm going to do my brows before I do anything. I'm using Revlon ColorStay in dark brown. Fill those in. If you want a tutorial, hit me up below. Let me know. I'm also using Tatcha to start my face off, priming it. I did wash and moisturize my face beforehand. And I'm also doing a little color correcting in certain spots around the mouth, under eyes, and chin are usually my bad spots. I'm using Makeup Forever. Makeup Forever HD foundation. Don't know the color, it doesn't say, but I'm also using NARS as my favorite concealer. I always use NARS Radiant Concealer in the color Caramel, and I'm just hitting under eye, bridge of my nose, around my mouth, chin, forehead, and I'm just gonna blend that in with a wet beauty blender. You gotta, push that into the skin and, highlight those areas. I usually don't like to go too many shades lighter than my skin because my face is already light enough than my body. I'm using Laura Mercier translucent powder, pressing that in under my eye and letting it sit on the bridge of my nose mainly, and then pressing it in around my mouth. I am going to chisel out my cheekbones a little bit using the Laura Mercier because face is round. Still got that pregnancy, postpartum body still going, round face. I'm going to go in with MAC bronzer in the color, what is it? B23. I'm going to bronze my face, contour. I usually don't do liquid contour unless I'm trying to be extra, but usually bronzer works just fine, blends really well. Chisel out the nose a little bit and under the nose, lip area. And I also like to use bronzer as a good transition color for my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using two palettes by Juvia's Place. I've been having these palettes for a minute, and those two palettes are the Masquerade and the Zulu palette. She has like these popping palettes with this color that show up so well, and I don't really do bold colors like that, but today I decided randomly that I'm gonna do a little teal look, which is my favorite color, like a little aqua mint green color. So I'm going in first. I went in with the orange from the Zulu palette for a transition color, and then I'm going into this brick brown, and I'm going closer to my crease with that, and then I'm gonna do a cut crease with the NARS concealer. The brushes I'm using, what brushes am I using? I'm using Morphe brushes, and I don't know the numbers, I'm just using them randomly, but that's a flat brush for sure. I'm going to go into the Masquerade palette and use this dark brown on the outer corner, and creating like a little V, brushing that in, creating like a slight smoky look. And then I'm going to go back into the Zulu palette, and I'm going to select this very pretty aqua teal color. And with those colors and doing a cut crease, I like to pat that into my lid and slightly rub, but not much, because you want to build that up, because you want that color to pop. So take your time, build that color up so it'll pop really, really well and go all the way up to that crease line that I created. Then I'm going to go in with a metallic color. It looks like a more metallic color, and I'm going to go closer to the inner corner of my eye with that and blend it into that matte teal color that I just used. And I'm just using a flat brush, patting that in as well. I'm not gonna go all the way in. I go all the way in. So I'll go all the way in and kind of outline it to make that cut crease pop more. I'm gonna also highlight with, it's like a lighter white metallic color to make the eyes pop just a little bit more, give that nice little transition. I'm also using that same dark brown color I used on the outer corner of my eye from the Masquerade palette on my bottom lid. I'm wiping away the translucent powder that I had from Laura Mercier. Wipe that away, and then I'm going to apply my eyeliner, which is Tarte's Double Take Eyeliner in black, and create a wing line and go in my waterline. I'm also using MAC Skin Finish Natural Mineralizer in dark to help blend in my foundation and highlight and contour a little bit better. And I'm also using my favorite blush by MAC, which is the color Amber Rose, and it's a shimmer color. And I've been applying my blush to my nose and chin as well. That's been a look going around I've seen, and I really like it. To highlight, I'm going to use Aurora Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm using the blue tone one, and I'm applying it to cheekbones, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, and other places you would want to highlight. For my lips, I'm using a combination of the Cork by MAC lip pencil and my favorite lipstick Taupe by MAC. And I'm also going on top of that with Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Strip and creating a nice little nude lip. This is my usual combination for a nude lip. I have a new favorite mascara, and that's by Revlon, called So Fierce in the color Black. And natural lashes just be popping with this. I'm going to go in and apply Ardell Studio Effects lashes in the number 231. And then I'm going to set my face with MAC's Prep and Prime. And that completes my look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Shout out to my girl Brittany from Pop of Style Jewelry for hooking me up with the beautiful earrings. Check her out for affordable jewelry pieces. Y'all know I like a beanie and some glasses. I got my glasses from Firmoo. I'll put the link below so y'all know. And this beanie came from a random beauty supply store for like $4. It's nice quality though, $4. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and look out for more tutorials and more videos. I need to update you guys, and I miss you. Put some video suggestions below that y'all want me to do. I'm really working hard to try to get back to y'all. But thanks for watching, and thank you for being patient. Peace out, sisters.